Can a HEPA vacuum remove mold? Have you ever wondered if a high-efficiency particulate air vacuum can tackle mold? This question is especially important for those in high-risk professions, where environmental hazards are a daily concern. A HEPA vacuum is designed to capture at least 99.7% of particles that are 0.3 microns or larger. Mold spores typically fall within this size range, making these vacuums quite effective at trapping them. When using a standard vacuum, you might inadvertently stir up mold spores, worsening the situation. However, a HEPA vacuum traps these tiny particles inside its filter. This helps prevent spores from becoming airborne and spreading further during cleanup. For workers in logging, deep-sea fishing, or storm chasing, this is vital. They often encounter mold in damp environments and need to minimize exposure to airborne hazards. While HEPA vacuums are great for removing loose mold spores and dust, they do not kill mold or eliminate mold colonies embedded in materials. Mold remediation usually requires additional steps. This can include cleaning with antimicrobial solutions, removing contaminated materials, and controlling moisture sources to prevent regrowth. A HEPA vacuum is often part of a larger mold removal strategy, used to clean up residual spores after physical removal or chemical treatment. For those in high-risk jobs, using a HEPA vacuum can significantly reduce the risk of inhaling mold spores during cleanup or inspection. This is particularly true in environments like damp logging cabins, fishing vessels, or storm-damaged buildings. It acts as a frontline tool to contain mold spores, protect respiratory health, and maintain safer working conditions. However, it is essential to combine this tool with protective gear and proper remediation techniques. In practical terms, a HEPA vacuum can effectively remove mold spores from surfaces and air. This makes it an essential tool in mold cleanup and in preventing the spread of spores. However, it does not eliminate mold colonies or address underlying moisture problems. Therefore, it should be used alongside other mold remediation methods to ensure thorough mold removal and a safer environment.